Hello my loves. Right, this is my really injured nail. It's very painful. It's split right down through the nail plate to the nail bed. I left it just over a week to heal so that it was no longer sore. I didn't want to do any work on it while it was still sore, but it is still split. So I'll show you how I fixed that and how I've protected it. And also there's a nice clip involving Chloe, who decided to get in there while I was setting up my e-file. You lucky things. Bet you can't wait to hear that. Honestly, I don't know what she's like. She's nearly 18 and she's just crazy like me, really. What are you doing here, bugger? What are you doing? Seriously?
Magic.
You're almost 18. What are you doing?
Magic. You'll watch it through and be like, how the hell is she doing that?
I'll show everyone, is that alright?
Yeah, that's fine. You'll be like, my daughter's trying to do a magic trick.
Yeah. How old is she, 10? No, she's 18. Yep, that's pretty much my day-to-day life with this lot. So I'm just taking my Melody Susie e-file and my Glitter Planet like extra coarse bit. And I'm not applying pressure. The reason why I'm using a coarse bit and I'll have it on quite a high rotation speed is so that I don't press down. I just let it do its thing. I've got my Valentino dust collector sucking up that dust, as you can see. But I don't want to press on this nail or push it and pull it and drag it or anything like that. I just want to be super gentle and let the drill and the bits do their work. I'm going to take it down as low as I feel comfortable with. Bear in mind it's an injured nail. You can start to see that kind of crack. The problem is it's attached either side of the crack. Not the butt crack, don't be dirty. But where the nail has split, it's still attached at the hyponychium and it's still attached to the nail bed either side. So it's not like the tip of the nail is coming away. It's not, it's just broken down the middle. So I'm going to get my nail clippers and take away that edge there and see what we're dealing with. And then once I'm kind of happy with that, you see me nattering away to Chloe because she just keeps distracting me. I'm going to soak my lint-free pads in acetone. I get my acetone, my lint-free pads, all that shebang, and a lot of e-file bits and stuff, and my e-file from Amazon, which is all linked. I've got like one link that takes you to all the things that I buy, which is great. So I'll let that soak for about 10 minutes, and then we'll unwrap our little turkey, our turkey finger, and we'll see how it's done. So it's starting to release. I'm just going to very gently remove it there. This is the nail mate pinching tool. It's got like a scraper on the other end, so I use it for this. I'm just going to very gently release anything that's there. I'll whiz over it with my hand file quickly, my Canvalite file, and then I'll re-soak the nail again for another 10 minutes because I'm just being very careful. So we're unwrapping for the second time. Let's have a look. Oh yes. We'll just get all that off there, nice and gently, no force, just make sure it comes off easily. If you're scraping away at your nail plate, stop. Just re-soak it for a couple of minutes. And then I'm going to just buff it with a 180 buffing block. Again, I got from Amazon. Nice and gently buff over it. and then we'll remove that free edge because we don't need it. It's just going to put pressure on that break area. Yeah, so as you can see, that break goes kind of right the way through, but it's still attached. So it's not going to fall off. It's just going to have to grow out, and I'm going to have to secure it, otherwise I could have another painful injury. So I'm taking off that free edge, then there's not much that can get caught on anything. It's kind of like a risk assessment now, isn't it? Damage limitation. So we'll get rid of that. And then I'm going to prep my nail as normal and apply some builder gel. So I'll leave you with my prep. I'll just talk you through the bits I do. So I use the 180 side of my Canva-Lite file just to tidy up that free edge. And then I'll go in with my cuticle tools. So I'm just pushing back the cuticles with Doris. I think this is the Doris one from Navy Pro. I pushed a bit hard and cut myself. I'm an arse. I should have thought about that. But it's really hard doing your own nails in shot. So, and then I'm just going in with the nail mate scraper as well, just to get off those stubborn bits that were kind of like still attached. It was all just gross, really. So once I've done that, I'll go to my e-file then for the rest of my cuticle prep. Now this e-file bit, I actually got it in a set, a cuticle set. I can't remember if I've added it to my Amazon shop. I will have a look, because I got it off Amazon and it was like $12.99. Very cheap. Same thing though, really good. So I'll have a look and make sure I add it to my Amazon list so that you guys can pick that up as well. Saves you like looking through everything. It's a bloody good idea. And I just go up the colours, they're colour coded, and I just go up. So now I'm kind of edging that cuticle and overgrown skin backwards a bit. Then I go in with the little bally bit. It removes some of it, and then it will, what's left, I'll nip with my nippers. And I always do half a rotation one way and half a rotation the other way. But it was a bit sore because I'd caught it with that Doris. I'd caught it. So it was like I was feeling a stinging sensation. I was like, what the bloody hell, see there? What the bloody hell have I done? I'm like, oh, owie. It's my own fault, just for being probably a bit too rough with it. But I'll use the little bally bit just to push some of that away, remove some of it, and whatever's left we'll trim. I'm going in with my Nail Mate Cuticle Scissors. I like these because they don't have any resistance on them. They don't bounce. They actually act like scissors with the handle mechanism. So they're very, very easy to use. And they've got nice thin blades as well. So once that is done, I'm going to give that nail a good scrub with Safe Scrub. Just get it in there. There we go, that stung like a bitch because I had a cut in there. I'm going in with the Madam Glam base coat. Just apply a layer of base coat and cure it for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. Then I'm going in with the light pink builder gel, builder in a bottle from Madam Glam. And I'm just going to apply it nice and not too thick, just enough to level out the nail surface, protect that damage area, and just give the nails it gives them a natural, healthy look. They don't look bright pink or anything like that. They just look healthy, shiny and natural. I've actually got it on all my nails right now because I've removed my whole set. and they just look so nice. I really like them. Sounds strange, doesn't it? I'm looking at my nails with no extensions, no bling, just healthy, shiny, natural looking nails, and I feel good. I like it. So I'll do that, cure that for 30 seconds. I think it was 30 seconds. Check on the bottle, can't remember. I think it was. And then I will use the Safe Scrub to remove the tacky layer on top. And we'll file it into shape. Just buff over it a little bit. I've then got my Madam Glam tack-free top coat. So I'll apply that, cure that for 30 seconds, and then apply a nice generous amount of cuticle oil, rehydrate all that pore skin. And I'll show you a little end result here. Very cute, nice and healthy, fixed. You can't actually see the break in it, but it is there. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Tally, bye.